Welcome to eVision Hub. In this episode, we will discuss what is embedded vision. Embedded vision is a confluence of two technologies, embedded systems and computer vision. Embedded devices are computers or computing systems programmed and commissioned to perform specific functions. More often than not, you would not realize that actually a computer is inside that device. Embedded devices have been there for a very long time, right from the 1960s, mainly in space and military applications like Apollo guidance systems and guidance computers inside missiles. With advancements in IC technology and more microcontrollers in the market, consumer electronic space was flooded with embedded systems. Your washing machine, MP3 player, video game console, printer, router, etc. are all embedded devices. Before we jump deep into embedded vision, let us first try to understand computer vision and machine vision. Computer vision is the field of science dealing with how computers can see and understand their surroundings. It involves acquiring, processing, and analyzing digital images. Cameras suited for a specific application are connected to a computer system which processes and analyzes images with specially made image processing and computer vision algorithms and software. Over time, computer vision has found applications in a variety of fields, primarily in the industrial sector, where it is used to automate and assist manufacturing processes. A good example would be automated quality control in a production line where broken or damaged parts are sorted at the end of the conveyor using cameras and computer vision. This area of computer vision in the industrial sector is called machine vision. Now coming to embedded vision. Adding computer vision capabilities to embedded devices, thereby solving specific problems and challenges, is called embedded vision. But why do embedded devices need computer vision capabilities? Adding vision opens up the possibility of extending the set of use cases and functionalities embedded devices can serve. A simple use case would be automating data entry, where one of our customers uses cameras to scan and feed identification numbers of vehicles into a form automatically. Another application where an embedded camera is used is performing self-checks on a system, where another customer of ours uses vision to automatically check if the target is placed at the right location before starting the machine. Completely automating and replacing human intervention, as in autonomous vacuum cleaners, also involve embedded vision. The use cases and applications in industrial, medical, and consumer segments are endless. When in the past embedded devices were all low power, low memory, and low processing, they did not have the luxury of having cameras, acquire multiple megabits of image data, and run complex algorithms on them due to the lack of adequate processing power. But today, camera technology has become more advanced thanks to the developments in mobile phone cameras. Processing power in embedded systems has increased exponentially, all leading to embedded vision becoming more common and affordable. Here at Econ Systems, we offer solutions to our customers' embedded vision use cases every day. So, if you have a question on embedded vision or cameras, please feel free to reach out to us. Our camera experts will always be there to help. Thank you.